Hey guys, welcome to Tech's tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to start YouTube automation. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Just a quick overview, YouTube automation refers to the use of automated tools, software, or processes to manage various aspects of a YouTube channel, such as content creation, uploading, video optimization, and engagement with the audience. These tools can help streamline and simplify tasks that would otherwise require a lot of manual effort and time. So, we're going to be creating a step by step guide on how to use free AI tools to automate the process of creating a faceless YouTube channel. So we're going to be leveraging AI technology. We'll demonstrate how to generate ideas, script, voiceovers, video subtitles, and more, all with the aim of making the channel creation process smoother and more efficient. By using AI tools creatively, we're enabling content creators to focus on their unique ideas and concepts while automating the technical aspects of a channel creation. Now let's start in introducing our first tool, which is Chat GPT. So we're using this tool because it is very helpful. It can understand and generate human-like text. It's like a smart friend you can ask for advice or help with writing. In this tutorial, we're using this to make creating a YouTube channel easier. It can give us ideas, write scripts, and even help us talk about our videos. It's like having a creative assistant that knows a lot about different topics. By using ChatGPT, we're making the whole process simpler and more fun, especially for people who might not have a lot of experience with making videos. So the first thing that we'll need to do is to type in here and ask ChatGPT to generate us a niche. A niche is a specific topic or interest that you focus on. It's like your special area of expertise or passion. Having a niche will help you connect with people who share your interests and make your channel more appealing to them. Now let's choose a niche in here, and I think I'll choose this one, which is mindful meditation and wellness. We chose this as our niche because it's a topic that's important for many people. Mindful meditation helps with relaxation and feeling good, while wellness is all about staying healthy and balanced. By focusing on this niche, we can share helpful tips, techniques, and information that can make a positive impact on people's lives. It's like offering a helping hand to those who want to feel better mentally and physically. This niche also allows us to connect with like-minded individuals who are interested in improving their overall well-being. Now, the next step is to copy that one, and let's ask ChatGPT to create a title and script for our YouTube niche. ChatGPT creates a title and script by using the information you provide. You tell it what your niche is, like mindful meditation and wellness, and then it uses its knowledge to come up with ideas. For example, it can suggest a title that captures the essence of your niche, like guided meditation for a calm mind or mindful wellness tips. When you ask it for a script, you give it some details or a prompt related to your niche. It then uses its understanding of the topic to generate a script that fits your niche. So it's like having a virtual brainstorming partner that uses its knowledge to help you create content that's relevant to your chosen topic. And once you have the script ready and the title as well, it's time to create your YouTube thumbnail. Now let's introduce another tool that would help us do this, which is Canva. Canva is an online tool that helps you make cool graphics and design even if you're not a design expert. It's like having an easy way to create pictures that look really nice. When it comes to creating a YouTube thumbnail, Canva can be super helpful. It gives you a template like ready-made design that you can customize for your video. You can add in text, images, and even change colors to match your video's vibe. Canva makes it easy to create an eye-catching thumbnails that grab people's attention and make them want to click and watch your video. So it's like having a simple tool to make your YouTube videos look more appealing and professional. So once you're already in and you've finished the sign-up process, you'll just need to click here on the upper part, which is create a design, and use the search bar to search for YouTube thumbnail. So you'll just need to click onto that one, and then you'll be redirected onto its editing page. So once you're in, you'll see a white canvas, and here onto the left side, you'll see the different templates. Choosing a template for a YouTube thumbnail is like picking a starting point for your picture. These templates have cool layouts and styles. You just need to find one that matches your video's vibe. And once you pick a template, you can add your video's title, images, and other elements to make it unique. Templates save time and give you a good base to work from, making your thumbnail look catchy and inviting for people to click on and watch your video. It's like getting a head start on creating a great looking thumbnail without having to start from scratch. And once you're done, just hit onto the upper part share and then click on to download to save your thumbnail. Now let's head to the other tool that we're gonna use. So we'll gather footages from here. So gathering footage using Pixabay is like collecting video clips without needing a camera. Pixabay is a website with lots of free videos that you can use. You can just type in what you're looking for like meditation or relaxing images, and Pixabay shows you options. When you find a video you like, you can download it and use it in your YouTube video. It's like having access to a library of videos that you can use to add more visuals and variety to your content. This way you can make your video more interesting and engaging without filming anything yourself. And now for our main tool, to put in all together that we've gathered, we have here is Clipchamp. So we use Clipchamp as part of our YouTube automation process because it helps bringing everything together smoothly. Clipchamp is like a tool that let us combine different elements into a single video. It's like putting together pieces of a puzzle. We have our video clips from Pixabay, the script from Chat GPT, or we could add in an audio narration that we generated. Clipchamp let us add these elements in the right order, making our video complete. It's user-friendly, so even if you're not a tech expert, you can easily arrange things the way you want. It's like the final step where we assemble the visuals, the voice, and the story into one cohesive video. Once we put everything in Clipchamp, we're almost ready to share our video on YouTube. It's a tool that simplifies the process and makes our YouTube automation journey easier and more successful. Now to get started, just complete the sign up process of putting in your email, or you can continue with email or Google. Then once you're in, you'll see two options in here. You can start from scratch or you can continue with AI. So for this one, we'll choose this one, which is to create a new video from scratch. Just simply click on it and then you'll see the editing page. The editing page on Clipchamp is like a creative playground where you can make your video look just the way you want it. It's where you bring all your video clips, audio, and text together to create a final video. When you open the editing page, you'll see your video timeline. This is like a script where you can arrange your clips in order. You can cut, trim, and arrange them to match your script and narration. Then you can also add in some text overlays, stickers to emphasize key points or include captions. It's like writing on your video to make it more engaging. You can also adjust colors, add filters, and even include transitions between clips. It's like adding special effects to make your video look polished. The editing page on Clipchamp is where all the magic happens, where you turn individual elements into a complete professional-looking video that's ready to share with the world. You'll just need to simply put in here the videos that you've got from Pixabay and then be creative about it. So there you have it. As you can see, creating a faceless YouTube channel using free AI tools is easier than you might have thought. So with the power of Chat GPT, Canva, Pixabay, and Clipchamp, you've learned how to generate ideas, craft script, design thumbnails, and gather footage and put it all together into a compelling video. And if you've liked this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and until next time, happy content creation.